Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I just did a video on this, not the spiral tool, but the distort tool. And I started thinking, I used a line and I showed how you could take a line and use the distort tool on the twister direction and, well, I'll get rid of my line somehow. Take a 2-point line, get your distortion, and then you can start clicking and you get that and you could go more or less with it. But I started thinking, what's it going to look like on a square? I just drew a 22-sided polygon, and I am going to, maybe even 22 is probably too many. Let's back up a little bit. Let's take the polygon tool and set it on 12, just so it won't be so bad. And I'm going to draw a 12-sided polygon, and then I'm going to take the shape tool, and I'm going to bring one of those in. Now, what happens if we take the distort tool on that and add a one number? Look at that. To draw that symmetrically, I've drawn stuff like that before, but not that quick. I mean, that's amazing. And you could keep going with it. And then when you fill it in, really what's happening is you get to see what it really looks like. Same thing on this. We're going to click on our 12-sided polygon, go to the distort tool, and just add a number. And it kind of does the same thing. It's because it's twisting, but it's got, where this has 4, this has 12. So when you fill it in with your Smart Fill tool, you get that. And if we take away the outline, it'll really look pretty cool. Anyway, just a little bit of tidbit information. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.